Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. I'm Aset, this is Oats. Let's make some curry yakisoba.
Let's go!
First, find the biggest cabbage you can find and then chuck yourself up a hunk. Now then chop up your quarter of a cabbage into big, thick slices. Turn everybody 90 degrees and then we're going to chop up and dice up. Puff them up to the side because it's carrot time. Chop your thick boy carrot in half and then peel, and then we're going to vertically slice, and then with these wonderful vertical slices we're going to make into long thin strips. And off to the side with them. Grab two very small capsicums, chop off the heads, take out the innards, and then slice-ity slice. Excellent. Pop them off to the side. Then grab a couple of blocks of Japanese curry rue, and then we're going to thinly slice these boys up and then make them into powder. Choppity choppies! And pop these all off to the side as well. Let's get started in on our sauce. Into a small bowl goes in 1 teaspoon of Weber, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of mirin or 1 part sugar to 2 parts vinegar. And finally 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Give everybody a nice stir and a mix around. The Weber might not go anywhere, but that's alright, just do your best. And once that is moderately combined, pop in 1 tablespoon and a wee bit of your broken up curry rue. And then give that all a big mixity mix. Again, you're probably not going to get this to dissolve very well, but whatever. And that is prep done, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the sauce doesn't look too good, but whatever. Off to the flame. So in a ripping hot pan, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Give it a swishity swish to make sure everybody is nice and warm. And then plop in about 300 grams of pork bitties. Make sure everybody's nice and broken up there, and then add in your carrots. Get them fresh orange boys onto the thing, along with your green capsicums. And then on top of all of that, add an entire bag of bean sprouts. And then on those bean sprouts, add all of your cabbage. Now don't mix this around, you want to just pop the lid straight on. After a good steamy 10 minutes, you can take off the lid. Give everybody a nice mixity mix. Mayhaps a light tossity toss in fact. And now that everybody is nice and mixed up, grab your curry infused sauce and pour it over everybody. And now make sure everybody gets to know each other with a good mixity mix and a nice tossity toss. Now then, once everybody is nice and combined, we can take this off the heat and pop all of this into a separate bowl because we still need this pan. Time for the noodly noods. In goes a quick splash of sesame seed oil, and then in goes your yakisoba noodles. Note that Oats has not broken up these cakey wads of noodles at all. This is because we're first going to put our hands everywhere apparently. But once we got some nice brown crunchy bits on there, we can mix them up. Give everybody a nice stir, make sure everybody's nice and warm. Now grab the remaining bit of your curry rue that you chopped up before, sprinkle that everywhere and give everybody a nice mixity mix. Now that they have been thoroughly mixed together, it's time for the slightly tricky part of this, pouring in just the juices from our meat and veg. Now that you've got as much as you possibly can in there, give everybody a nice mix together. Now that everybody's gotten to know each other, it's time to add in our secret weapon, curry sauce bottle. Just a teaspoon of any sort of curry that you enjoy. Get everybody nice and mixed up together, beautiful. There's a lot of mixing going on today. And then finally, add back in all of your meat and veg. Now once you have again mixity mixed and tossity tossed, you're done-ski run-ski. Alrighty Brewski, let's plate up. Smack bang in the middle of your fanciest looking plate, add in all of your noods. No need to be shy about portioning ones, just pile them on. Now once your wonderful nude mountain has been completed, wipe up any of those edges for us, nice and sparkly clean. Get a close-up of those tasty boy nudes, looking good. Tonight's drink is Sapporo Barley and Hops, summer fragrances. When translating some of these beer names back into English, it sounds like more of a perfume ad than a beer. Never mind, I suppose, it's tasty time! So if you've had yakisoba before and you feel like you want something else, a little bit different, try this. This is a really good variation on yakisoba. Get that savory punch from all of that yakisoba sauce, along with the range of beautiful fragrances from the curry. If you enjoy what we do, like and subscribe for more, and maybe leave us a comment down below. Till next time, guys.